Good morning, student. This is Vipin sir from Nelson School. In this lecture, we are going to learn about debit note. While learning the meaning of purchase return book and its specimen, we have seen that we get a column, third column for debit note number. So today we will know about what is debit note, when it is prepared, and which details comes in it. Also, we will see the specimen of the same. First of all, let's discuss about the meaning. When the goods purchased are returned to suppliers, the note sent to supplier to claim rebate for the return of goods for returned goods is known as debit note. That is what, when we are returning goods to the supplier, whatever amount we debit to their account, we are sending a note of that, mentioning the reason. See, there could be two reasons for preparing debit note. First reason, when we are returning goods. The another may be when we are claiming some rebate. Maybe we are returning the empty container to them, and we are expecting some credit from them, so we will be debiting their account, right? One reason, when we return the goods. Second reason, when we are expecting some credit from their side while returning the free container or something like. Okay, let us talk about the details shown in debit note. The details which comes in debit note, the first one is name and address of the supplier to whom goods are returned. Second one is date and debit note number. Each debit note number will have its separate number, so that number will be mentioned on that. Third, full particulars of goods return. Whatever goods you are returning to them, the details of that goods will be mentioned in the debit note. The fourth one, net amount of goods returned. First we will give detail, and then we will also be writing the net amount, the amount of goods which we are returning. And the fifth one, the reasons for preparing debit note or returning goods. Okay. Let us talk about circumstances of preparing debit note. What can be the circumstances? The first one, the goods are not as per sample. Okay, we have received goods, but it is not as per the sample. When they have shown us the sample, it was different one, and the actual received goods is different. So there may be a deviation in the quality of goods. So we prefer to return it back. Again, the second reason, goods are of inferior quality. The same, the quality of the goods is not as per sample, as is not that good which was offered to us at the time of showing us sample. Goods are in damaged condition. Sometimes goods reach to us in damaged condition. That means it is not in a proper condition. That time also we may return it to the customer, to the supplier. Fourth, when the invoice received is for more amount than the amount of actual goods purchased, or the quantity shown in invoice is more than the actual goods received. See, that could be the reason that whatever bill they have sent us, it is of more value than the actual goods received. We are receiving goods of less amount and getting bill of more amount. In that case also, we will prepare debit note. What else? That quantity, sometimes whatever quantity goods we are getting, the more quantity is mentioned in the bill. That time also we will prepare debit note, and that difference of both quantity, the actual received and the quantity in bill, will be debited to the account of supplier. What else? If more amount is credited to supplier's account due to error calculation at the time of accounting, sometimes we have credited more amount to the account of supplier by mistake. So how to remove that? We will be sending a debit note and mentioning the reason that for so and so mistake your account was credited with more amount. So for that amount we are debiting to your account. What else? Debit note is also prepared when the amount of empty bag or containers returned is to be recovered. Sometime when we return the empty bags and containers to the supplier, he is paying us back some amount, right? So here in case of credit purchase and sale, what do? We return the container, we return the empty bags, and we debit the that much amount to the supplier's account. Next is debit note is also prepared when the discount is received from trader. Sometimes discount was to be received and it was not applied, so to get that discount, debit note is prepared. Okay, this is the specimen of debit note. See, debit note, main heading, number is 108, so debit note number will be 108. Shri Patel Trading Company, dealers of chocolate, 16 Sriji Complex, Vasna, Ahmedabad. Shri Shivam Traders, the particular says on 2015 March 7, 10 chocolate boxes returned due to inferior quality, each box of rupees 2000, total amount 20,000, total 20,000 for Patel Trading Company, signature partner. This is the debit note we will be sending to the supplier. Here this transaction, this voucher says that Sri Patel Trading Company is returning goods, that is chocolate boxes. How many chocolate boxes? 10 chocolate boxes of rupees 2000 each, total goods of rupees 20,000. They are returning to whom? Shivam Traders. Okay, and now what is the reason? Return due to inferior quality. So it is there, reason will always be there. We will be sending this, that means Shri Patel Trading will be sending to Shri Shivam Traders, and then Shivam Traders will sign here, so that will become a legal voucher. Okay, so this is all about debit note. Thank you.